Better Corporate is a carbon waste recycling company. We are working towards circular economy and a zero carbon footprint around the world. What problems do we associate with environmental pollution? The fueling of environment, excessive water use, and threat to workforce are the underlying negative image of industries worldwide. Our technology has developed into identifying some good examples of regular generated waste. Let's talk about agricultural farm waste. They are based on cellulose. Paper being generated in offices in urban centers, and cotton and textile materials as waste materials from urban centers as well. They are all cellulose based. All carbon residues from industrial operations. The carbon that are generated from industries are equally sludges, and they also belong to carbon family. And one interesting other example we want to cite here is the crude oil. Crude oil also belongs to carbon family, and is being used in its virgin form. But in this virgin form, we can equally apply the same technology from our novelty to convert them just like other carbon materials. See these pictures. This novelty has a unique way of operations. How does it work? Let us explain in technical terms. Our novelty entails the non-pyrolated conversion of cellulose material that can be traced back to mercerization in textile industry some hundreds years ago. But we have added some novelty into this process. In as much as we can lay hands on waste material that are carbon-based, we are looking for ways of doing these operations in a fast, cheap, that really conform with economy and efficiency. We subject all carbon materials, either singly or in combined form, to acid treatment without any heat application. This is a very big leap against our competitions, which requires input of heat to make their reactions work. In the alternative, our process works by exothermic reaction without any heat applications. We are equally looking at expanded method of really converting this process into what we call CHP. CHP is combined heat and power. The heat being generated from the reactor of our conversion of these materials will now be used to generate heat-related electricity to power the plant in off-grid locations. The hydrolysis from the carbon waste and not the carbon fibers. Of what economic importance is this chemical building block called carbon hydrolysis that is dissolved in aqua, that is, it's water-based? One, the chemical building block is a potent production building block for fertilizer, both in liquid and granular form. We have perfected the use of this same chemical building block from aqua as a hydrolyzing agent again for all protein and protein waste materials, whether from dairy protein or from agricultural proteinous materials or waste. All other proteins are converted to fertilizer using this chemical building block as well. The chemical building block has found useful use in upstream sludge cleaning in the oil and gas industry. It is a swift solution that has found extensive appraisal both in Nigeria, our location, and abroad. We have gotten third-party reports from multinational companies and equally marketers of similar products, and they have found our products of high economic importance, and it has a very differential approach of operations and swift in action as well. The chemical building block has also found use in antimicrobial life sciences operations, like in animal health, human health, topical use in skin infection prevention and treatment. This chemical building block also has found use in making biopolymer that is based on emulsion polymerization of this product in conjunction with plant-derived triglycerides. This is a very unique operation that has generated a lot of interest. And it has also found use in being applied in rigid applications for plastics in the automotives and equally in composite for construction industries. What can we use the emulsion biopolymer derived from the chemical building block for? Let's now see all of them. We can make rigid autoplastic and composites for 3D printing from this biopolymer. We can make conductive plastics and biopolymer from this emulsion biopolymer, which is a potential application material in energy storage and the emerging electric mobility. We can also make laundry chemicals, laundry wash, and builders without a phosphate content, which makes this formula to be highly environmental friendly. We also making dishwash building chemical from this emulsion biopolymer. These products are also found extensive use in warding off viral, bacteria, and fungal infection surfaces, human body, topical use on skins, and now we are potent and so confident of really introducing this product as a good antidote to COVID-19 spread worldwide. And to make this interesting, our public analysis result has confirmed that our hygiene, product, and antiseptic power of this emulsion biopolymer active is conformed with WHO standard. You can see we have gotten a very long line of versatile products on our table. The beauty of this technology is that we are running a waste to wealth operations that gives us a hope, a very big hope of running return on investments of high value. Our company has benefited from collaboration partners with our company and organization in helping and innovation to go to scale. Industry leaders in so many aspects of chemicals worldwide, they are picking interest and asking questions currently. The motivation for our project is based on innovation beyond borders. As our limited resource location in Africa, with a view to attracting advanced collaborating partners, will gear us up and even encourage us to do more.
I said again, the project is ready to really kick off. We have been doing this for about 15 years and we own the IP. Then we have working prototypes. Then we have been able to deploy in some fields like the petrochemicals, like the oil fields, and even industrial applications. Thank you.